Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see, steaming hot, really simple, basic, but absolutely wonderful mushroom fried rice. Very, very few ingredients. Healthy, vegetarian, filling, and vegan. Let's go and do it. Okay, not many ingredients on this very simple mushroom rice. There's our rice there, cold cooked basmati rice. Cold rice always works out really well when you're making any type of fried rice. Warm or hot rice, not so much. It kind of just doesn't work out so good. So make sure nice cold rice. Mushrooms, I've got some white fresh mushrooms there sliced. If you wanted, you could chop them quite small. I've got here garlic and ginger, fresh garlic and fresh ginger. I've got some onion, and here I've got a little bit of dark soy sauce. You could be using a light one if you wanted. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil, and we're going to add a little bit of black pepper. That's it. It's fantastically easy. Okay, so we're going to need some kind of wok or pan. As you can see, I've got a kind of high-sided skillet here. In there, I've got some sunflower oil. Getting that nice and hot. You could be using any oil you want, corn, canola, up to you. We're going to start off by dropping in our garlic and our ginger. And as you can see, it's nice and chunky. Again, if you wanted to cut it really small, I like the kind of bites that we get from this. And what we want to do here, just for a few seconds, is throw this around in the oil. This is going to really give a massive flavour to the oil, really infuse it. So don't skip this part, really important. Just a few more seconds. Just until we get a kind of little bit of a colour on it, tiny amount. Yeah, really important, don't skip this bit. This is really going to flavour the oil for us. There you go. Just starting to colour slightly. We're now going to drop in our onion. I've sliced mine. As you can hear, we're on a very high heat. Keep it really high. Keep this moving for about 2 to 3 minutes. Wonderful. Garlic, ginger, onions frying there. Such a wonderful, wonderful smell. Now we're going to add in our mushrooms. Like I said, I've got some fresh white mushrooms. Sliced them up. What we might get now is a little bit of moisture from them, depending on the type of mushroom you've used. But again, let's go 2 to 3 minutes. Keep this moving. Fantastic. A little bit of moisture that you can hear coming from the shrooms. Okay, we're now going to add in some black pepper. Not adding any salt because of the soy that we're about to add. That's kind of salty enough for me. So in goes the soy. I'm using a dark. Fantastic. Simply, now time for our rice. Cold, cooked rice. And what we want to do, as I always tell you, we actually need to fry the rice. It's going to be about 5 to 6 minutes of stirring and frying the rice. If we get a little brown or blackening on the rice, I'm super happy. Keep this moving now. Can you hear that? That's the rice frying, that's what we want. Let it fry around, let it burn a little bit. Nice little bit of colour on it, always works really nicely, gives it a lovely flavour. That's wonderful. Off goes the heat. Fantastic. There you go. For me, that's done. If you want, add a bit of chilli, bit of cilantro or something like that. Maybe a little bit of sesame seed oil. But this is nice and straight, simple. Got some lovely flavours in there from our garlic and our ginger and the soy. A little bit of black pepper. That's done. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.